Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a set of all weatherproof floor mats by a company named Cotaza.
So initially they were making these for Tesla models, but as I was going on their website, it looks like they started making them for Civics, Chevys, and different rigs, and then now for Tacomas. And honestly, these are like Iron Mike. Hard to beat. The prices are fantastic.
A few things I observed when taking these out of the box is they're very lightweight, they don't smell, and they're made out of a material called XPE that is anti-scratch. They're pretty tough, yet a little pliable to get them out of your rig. They do have an anti-skid underneath so it won't shift around when you're going in and out of your rig or just driving around town. I want to go ahead and try these out, take it through the test, give them a fair review, and see if it is